Umuulan na naman? Ayan, ulan na naman. Hindi may payong ako. OMG. Agang ulan. Sabihin mo lagi ko iyong mahal. Bro Clay Chua, salamat bro, thank you so much. Shout out. Morning. Anong balita? Anong balita bro? Tabako. Pero mag-diet. Salamat. Malapit na mag 1 year. Ay, oo nga. 11 months na. Kaya nga. Thank you ah. Salamat. Mahangin. Thank you, bro. 11 people in the house. Shout out. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Sir Gregory, kumusta? Ingat ka, magandang umaga, Guapa Marites. Sir Gregory. Sir Gregory, thank you. How are you? People in the house, thank you so much. Hangin, kaya yung buhok ko, ano? Lumilipad yung aking buhok. You're welcome po. Ay, ang galing mo mag-Tagalog. You can speak, you speak English. You speak English. Sabi mo, salamat sa jacket. You're welcome. Ang lapit naman ng aking mukha. Sabihin mo lagi ko iyong at ito'y panandalian. Panandalian nga. Kaloka. I love your buhok. My buhok is so curly now. And it probably I will go to salon now. I go to salon to do repair my hair to make beautiful my hair. Ano ba yung kukunin ko dito? Teka lang ha, mag-top up lang ako ng aking gamitin ko yung cellphone ko. Top up lang akin ng pera-pera. Kulot. Yeah, exactly. Not really kulot. It's just natural hair. It's just natural hair. Yeah. Ay. Just wait a minute. Oh my God, come green. No. Wait lang ha. How to remove this green?